Across vast farmlands, raw cotton begins its journey toward becoming the cotton fabric used worldwide daily.
Advanced harvesters collect raw cotton rapidly, feeding global demand for affordable, mass-produced cotton fabric textiles.
From farm roads, harvested cotton travels steadily toward industrial mills, preparing future cotton fabric production. Harvested cotton leaves farms, beginning industrial processing that ultimately creates the world's essential cotton fabric.
Raw cotton shipments arrive at ginning factories, the first industrial step toward producing global cotton fabric.
Automated conveyors transport raw cotton efficiently into processing lines, preparing fibers for cotton fabric manufacturing.
Moisture conditioning stabilizes cotton fibers, optimizing flexibility for efficient transformation into cotton fabric textiles. Pre-cleaned cotton rests in staging silos awaiting ginning, advancing toward final cotton fabric transformation. High-speed saw gins separate cotton fibers from seeds, preparing raw material for cotton fabric production. Fluffing systems restore cotton fiber volume, improving spin quality for refined cotton fabric yarn production. Separated cotton seeds exit ginning lines, while fibers continue toward cotton fabric production stages.
Clean cotton lint emerges ginned and purified, ready for baling before cotton fabric spinning. Loose cotton lint compresses into dense forms, preparing raw fiber for cotton fabric spinning mills. Cotton classification determines fiber suitability for diverse cotton fabric applications across global textile industries. Labeled cotton bales ensure traceability throughout spinning mills producing global cotton fabric supplies.
Prepared cotton bales depart warehouses, heading to mills, initiating cotton fabric yarn production. Bale opening machines loosen compressed cotton, preparing fibers for spinning into cotton fabric yarn.
Combing refines cotton slivers, removing short fibers to enhance cotton fabric yarn strength.
Ring spinning transforms cotton rovings into strong yarn, forming the backbone of cotton fabric. Packaged cotton yarn cones move forward to mills, producing finished cotton fabric textiles.
Warp preparation aligns cotton yarns, forming the structural backbone of woven cotton fabric production.
Metal looms interlace cotton yarns, methodically creating strong woven cotton fabric textiles. Knitting machines loop cotton yarn into flexible cotton fabric used in garments. Grayish cotton fabric exits weaving lines, ready for dyeing and finishing treatments. Scouring and bleaching purify cotton fabric, ensuring optimal readiness for vibrant dyeing processes.
Digital printing applies detailed imagery onto cotton fabric using precision inkjet technology.
Chemical finishes enhance cotton fabric performance, adding functional textile properties.
Finished cotton fabric rolls emerge ready for packaging and worldwide textile distribution. Textured cotton fabric is cut precisely to meet global garment manufacturing requirements. Branded labeling identifies cotton fabric specifications for retailers and garment producers.
Inventory systems monitor cotton fabric movement, optimizing supply chain efficiency.
From farm harvest to factories, cotton fabric reaches industries, shaping everyday clothing worldwide.